Have you ever wondered what lurks beneath the vast, churning oceans? Legends whisper of colossal beasts, tentacles reaching from the depths to snatch unsuspecting ships. While the giant squid might be real, there's another kraken in the world, not of the deep sea, but of the financial kind. That's right, I'm talking about Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange with a global reach. But before we dive into the exchange itself, let's surface for a breath and ask, what exactly is a cryptocurrency exchange? Imagine a giant marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, you're trading digital assets, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. These exchanges act as middlemen, connecting buyers and sellers, ensuring secure transactions and a smooth flow of digital currency. Now, Kraken, founded in 2011, is one of the oldest and most established names in the cryptocurrency exchange game. So, what's the full company name behind the Kraken moniker? Well, that would be Payward Incorporated, a company registered in Wyoming, USA. But Kraken is the brand most people recognize, and for good reason. They've built a reputation for security, reliability, and a wide range of features that cater to both beginner and veteran cryptocurrency enthusiasts. But with a plethora of exchanges vying for your digital coins, why should Kraken be your crypto haven? Let's unravel the reasons why this exchange might just be the Kraken you need to navigate the exciting, yet sometimes treacherous, waters of the crypto world. Security first. When you're dealing with real money, or in this case, digital money, security is paramount. Kraken boasts a robust security infrastructure, employing industry-leading practices to safeguard your hard-earned crypto. They offer features like two-factor authentication, global setting recognition, and master key security, all designed to keep your crypto out of the wrong hands. Another reason to consider Kraken is their vast selection of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a die-hard Bitcoin maximalist or a DeFi, decentralized finance, evangelist, Kraken likely has the crypto you're looking for. They offer a healthy mix of established coins and promising new ventures, giving you the flexibility to build a diversified crypto portfolio. Kraken isn't just about buying and selling crypto. They understand the complexities of the crypto ecosystem and offer a variety of features to enhance your experience. Margin trading allows you to leverage your holdings to potentially amplify your returns, but remember, higher gains come with higher risks. Staking, on the other hand, lets you earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. These features provide you with tools to not just hold, but to actively participate in the cryptocurrency space. Now, fees are an undeniable part of any exchange, and Kraken is no exception. Their fee structure might seem a tad complex at first glance, but it boils down to a maker-taker model. Makers, those who add liquidity to the order book by placing limit orders, typically enjoy lower fees. Takers, on the other hand, who fulfill existing orders on the book, pay slightly higher fees. Transaction fees also vary depending on the chosen payment method and the amount of crypto being traded. Transparency is another key aspect of Kraken's philosophy. They provide clear breakdowns of their fees, ensuring you know exactly what you're paying for each transaction. Additionally, Kraken offers a comprehensive knowledge base and extensive customer support, making it easier to navigate the intricacies of the exchange, especially for beginners. Kraken isn't without limitations. While their security is top-notch, no system is foolproof, and cryptocurrency exchanges have been targets for hackers in the past. Another point to consider is their user interface, which some might find a bit clunky compared to some newer exchanges. Finally, Kraken, like most cryptocurrency exchanges, is not available in all jurisdictions. So, before you set sail with Kraken, make sure they operate in your region. So, is Kraken the perfect crypto exchange? No exchange is. But with its robust security, vast selection of cryptocurrencies, valuable features, and commitment to transparency, Kraken offers a compelling package for both novice and seasoned crypto investors. Ultimately, the best exchange for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. But if you're looking for a secure and reliable platform to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency, then Kraken might just be the Kraken you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto sailing.